What's going on, you guys? Connor here, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through a winning product that you guys can hit 15K per day with. And the reason I say that is because, as you can see on my screen here, this is, my highest day on Shopify ever, which was $15,185.55. This is my highest day on Shopify, and this winning product that I'm about to show you guys in this video follows the exact same criteria, right? So it has a wow factor, it's untapped, and it has under 2,000 orders on AliExpress, and it's a product that people are going to need multiple of, so you can definitely upsell them on multiple items, which is key to drop shipping in 2019 and 2020. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. How you can enter this giveaway essentially for the 15K a day winning product is to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment hashtag free value in the comments of this video. Do this as soon as possible, and obviously what the winner gets, similar to last week, I do these every single Monday. You guys get a winning product, and I announce the winner of the previous video. You get the winning product, you get 100% custom video ad, you get 3 professional video thumbnail variations, professionally written ad copy, product description, and a free 30-minute call with myself, so you can launch this product today. All right. And what makes this winning product special? Like I said in the beginning of the video, it is untapped, it has a wow factor, and it's cheap. You can definitely sell this for 4 times the product cost. Not a problem at all. And so the winning product is a magic birthday candle. I'm sure some of you have seen this before. I'll go ahead and jump right into the ad so you can see it. Here it is right here. We'll just go ahead and play it, turn the sound off. It's essentially just a candle that opens up. So you light it and it spins around, and then it should open up. So yeah, you light it, opens up. Very cool, right? So if you got this for, like a kid's birthday or just anyone's birthday, it would definitely be a really, really cool thing that you could, bring or, show someone that, you care about them on their birthday, because birthdays are special times for people, right? It's very sentimental. It's got a lot of, emotion behind a birthday. So this product is pretty easy to sell. I think it honestly could sell itself. You don't even really need to sell it with emotion. It's already got a wow factor, and that's what you can play on. You can just get multiple clips of this candle in use. One thing I'd say is I was looking through the footage basically, and a lot of the footage on this product, they're using like the same footage. I mean, I don't understand why you couldn't just buy this product on AliExpress. Literally put it, like, buy a cake from like Fred Meyer, or I don't know, somewhere. You can even buy a big cake from like Costco or somewhere for like, literally buy the cake for maybe like 10 bucks, 20 bucks, whatever a cake costs. Buy this candle. The candle you can buy on Amazon for, 21 bucks. It'll get there in 2 days. Or you can buy it from AliExpress and it costs you 2 bucks. You just have to wait a while, right? So what I do for this product is essentially I'd buy it yourself. You're going to spend 20 bucks on the product. Maybe if you buy it off Amazon, you're going to spend essentially maybe $10 or $20 on a birthday cake, which is going to put you at, anywhere from $30 to $40. So with that $30 to $40, you can get custom video content, and you can just literally film it with your phone, film the product in use. Maybe you can even buy multiple, so you can have multiple different angles, right? That's literally how you can get your own custom footage. You're going to stand out from the very beginning, and you can make your own easy video ad, right? You don't have to even do any like crazy text or anything. It's just literally you recording the video of the actual product. That's all you have to do. If you guys like dogs and you're dog people, I don't know why you wouldn't be dog people, but anyways, if you want to see Winston, you can check him out on my Instagram as well. Now it's time to announce the giveaway winner, and I'm going to be doing that right now. So last video got 1,300 views, 205 comments, so I'll just go to the random comment picker here. We're going to get these comments, and we will now pick the winner of the giveaway. So you're going to get last week's product, which was the hover drone. And the winner is right here, Aditya Datar. Free value, great video, man. Keep killing it. So you are the winner. Go ahead and send me a DM on Instagram, and we'll get everything sorted for you. I'll send over the video, and we will hop on our 30-minute call. So congratulations to you. So the reason I like this winning product is because it does have a wow factor. It's cheap. You can sell it for 4 times the cost, and it's only got 1,100 orders on AliExpress. So if we go to AliExpress, you could buy this product for $1.81. I'd say sell this for, easily $9.99 or $9.95. So it's only got 1,100 orders on AliExpress. You can sell it for 4 times the cost. These are all reasons why I think this is an amazing winning product, and this follows the same criteria from my winning product that I was able to do $15,000 in 1 day on Shopify with. So really, really a good product. I think every product I'm showing you guys, I would test personally. I haven't tested this one myself, but it's definitely very good. These are emotions that you can use. I really don't even think you need an emotion on this product. You could try, I would just say like amusement, obviously aesthetic appreciation. It looks really, really cool. That's kind of the emotion that I would go with. And, you know, steps for testing, right? So search magic candle, birthday candle, magic candle on YouTube. Combine these clips together. Or what you can do is, like I said in the beginning of the video, film this yourself. I mean, you can, this is an easy product that you could film yourself, get video footage, and as you guys could see, right, the ad we saw here, 47,000 shares, and all it was is just a video of the candle in use, and someone just put text at the top. You don't even need to put text at the top, right? So this basic bit of work here, 47,000 shares, 7,000 comments, someone made a ton of money off that. Why not do the same thing but with your own video footage? You don't have to worry about copyright or any of that, right? So that's really what I'd recommend for you guys on this product to do. And then, you know, my similar testing strategy, use the same emotion in all your ad copy and your product description, and then create 3 different thumbnails for this video. Could just be the product, you know, maybe one of it's the candle, you know, closed, one of it's candle open, and then one of it's maybe just a like picture of the candle next to a birthday cake or something like that. Those could be your 3 different thumbnails. And then also I'd say, you know, launch this one campaign with 10 ad sets, 3 ads per ad set. I've heard rumors that CBO isn't actually happening in September, so you don't even need to test this with CBO technically, right? If it's not going to be forced on you, just do $7 a day ad set budget, 10 different interests, target single interests, and do tier 1 countries. And then basically this is how I analyze my data on my Facebook Ads Manager. If you've watched my last 2 videos, you already know about this. So after 24 hours, if you get 2 purchases, that's good. 1 purchase is okay. And if it's bad, then you're not going to get any purchase. And I just say kill the product and move on, or kill the product, kill your product test, and then try with new videos or a new angle basically. And that's going to basically do it for my video. Before I end, I just wanted to say to make sure to join my free Facebook group, Shopify Secrets. The link will be in the description. It's a free group to network with others. I personally respond to your questions, and you know, it's the fastest growing dropshipping group on Facebook. So make sure you, no, I'm just kidding. It's not the fastest growing dropshipping group on Facebook. But no, it's a great group. We got some great individuals in there, so make sure you guys check that out for sure. So that's going to conclude our video for today. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching. If you guys like my content, make sure that you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.